Hi guys, back with another video, and I just hacked Yellow Brain Rot. And if you say I didn't fake in the comments, look what I did to my basin. Look at my base. Look at my base. There's all the bases. I'm a hacker. I'm a hacker. I am a hacker. Just joking. It's a glitch, guys. Checking irgendwie query. It's still on. Yeah, guys, I got this good. But if it looks like I did actually render it, like why? So yeah, guys, that's it. See ya.